By now, the school year has come to an end, so I wanted to take the opportunity to reach out to you to really have you position yourself for this fabulous professional learning opportunity. For the fourth year in a row, CMC Leadership is offering a very robust leadership series that connects education leaders from across Canada. Being a proud Canadian, I think it's incumbent upon us to build on this network of education leaders. So let me briefly tell you what you can expect in this 6-part series called Mindsets for Leading in Complexity. We have chosen 6 themes that are the current themes that are foremost in our minds in education currently. So let me tell you what's online for beginning in September. So we have Amber Mack. All I ask is that you Google Amber Mack. The topic will be on artificial intelligence and the manner in which it's going to revolutionize education. So really important for us to get in the forefront of that and understand it as much as we can. Secondly, we have 2 fabulous speakers on student mental health and well-being, but really this time taking a much more proactive approach. So we have Dr. Alan Brown, head of the Child Psychiatry Clinic in Hamilton, and we also have Hannah Beach, who's written a great book on what leaders can do within their schools. Next, we have a session on data, and we know that data should be foremost in our minds and how we make decisions and operate our school districts. And then we have in December a really unusual conversation, and this is going to be with an economist, Linda Nazareth. And Linda's going to focus on the future of work and how that will also impact us in terms of revolutionizing education. And last but not least, in January, we're going to wind up our series with how to manage conversation during challenging times. So managing transformational conversation that will bring about meaningful change and really have us focus on listening to one another. So again, I invite all of you as the community of learners to continue with us connecting across Canada on this leadership learning journey. Thank you and hope to see you soon.